Welcome back. Marmugao Municipal Building will finally get a new look. Renovation work of Marmugao Municipality has been taken up under the GSUDA. The building, which caters to almost 7 to 8 offices, is on the verge of collapse.
आमदार कालूस मेळा तेन्ना आमकां सांगला की ताणें गव्हर्मेंटाक पुट अप केला आनी सुडा थ्रू तो टोटल रिनोवेशन करपाचें आसा. इवन आमकां ताणें सांगिल्लें की आतां तुमी शिफ्टिंग स्टार्ट करा म्हणून पावसाच्या वेळार आनी सांगिल्लें की पावसा मागीर स्टार्ट जातलें म्हणून खंय टॅक्निकला खातीर कित्या खातीर उरलां म्हाका खबर ना पूण MLA हाजे बद्दल फॉलो अप करता.
This building was neglected for a long time. The building was constructed during the Portuguese regime in 1941. Till now, it was awaiting repairs and renovation.
आम्ही ते एस्टिमेट करून ते आम्ही प्रोसेस चालू केल्लो आसा की जर आमची म्युनिसिपालिटी बिल्डिंग पेंट मारपाक जावं सगळे मेजरमेंट बीन घेवन गेले आनी आमची जी सुद्धा ते आमची काम ते करतले.
MMC also houses a school within the premises of the building.
पावस येतकच हिंगा सगळे लीक जाताय हिंगा पयशे जाले सगळे वॉल्स देंवताय भुरगीं पडटाय निसरून. It has become quite unsafe, but we have managed to retain it.
Sources informed that the building was only being painted from time to time, but the interiors were rickety and dangerous for the occupant employees and students. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Christmas is approaching shortly and Ravindra Bhavan in Kudzade is organizing a carol singing competition on 23rd December. All the participants are required to submit their entries by 16 December.
As Christmas is approaching and in order to promote singing, we are organizing the first all Goa carol singing competition of Ravindra Bhavan Kuchorem on 23rd December 2013 from 6 p.m. onwards. Okay, it is open to all groups from Goa and each participating group should consist of minimum 10 and maximum 15 along with the instrumentalists. And last date of entry with duly filled all the forms should be on 16th of December 2013. The prizes are, the first prize is 25,000, the second prize is 15,000, third prize is 10,000, fourth prize is 7,000 and fifth prize is 4,000 and 4 consolation prizes of 2,000 each.
After winning 5 tournaments this year, Sania Mirza is looking forward to a favourable 2014. The Padma Shri and Arjuna awardee tennis star is determined to reach the world #1 position in doubles in the near future. And as such, Sania has started preparations for the next month's Australian Open with her partner Cara Black from Zimbabwe. Taking time off from her training, Sania was in Goa for Lusophobia Games launch event on Tuesday evening.
You know, after Bethany got injured, I had to play with a Chinese girl, Zheng Ji, and even though we played together for the first time, we won a tournament and then we played semi-finals of US Open. So, you know, it was a good year and it was a tough decision to move to Cara after that because I think we wanted to focus on someone who's playing just doubles. And then it obviously clicked. We won. We haven't lost a match yet. So, you know, we decided to play next year together, and you know, we're hoping for a better, you know, if not a better, the same 2014 as 2013.
Australian Open coming up next month, so is she gonna come here to prepare with you?
She is already in Hyderabad. Today is our day off. That's why I'm here. I'm flying back tomorrow morning. So she is here. She's been here for a couple of weeks now already.
So what would you work on to win a slam, win a Grand Slam?
Well, there are many things we need to work on. I think that it's a good thing that we won 2 tournaments. We beat the #1 pair of the world, and we still need to work on things. That's obviously a positive, and you know, we need to fine-tune some things and try and you know, find ourselves together because we played only 2 tournaments together. So definitely one of the goals is to try and win a slam, but obviously try and win as many tournaments as possible.
I read in one interview that you want to be the world #1. So to be the world #1 in doubles, what do you have to do?
I need another year like 2013. You know, I'm 9 in the world and I'm very happy, and obviously when you're 9 in the world, you want to aim to be better than that next year, and I hope that you know, I can get to top 5 and then eventually to #1 in the world.
I think the overall Indian tennis has grown. So we seem that we just have few names to tell people about in men's tennis as well as women.
Yeah, Yeah, I think that the men, I think that the men are a lot better than women are. But I think that what we were 10 years ago, it's grown immensely in terms of popularity. I think we've become the number 2 sport in the country where people know what tennis is, people understand what tennis is. And I think that because 10 years ago people used to, when I said I played tennis, they didn't know if it was table tennis or lawn tennis, you know, they didn't know that lawn tennis was just called tennis. So I think that in terms of that we've come a long way, but it's about putting a system together to try and help young kids nurture and get better and I think physically build, and you know, that's what we are trying to do also through the ITPA, which is the Indian Tennis Players Association. We are trying to raise funds to try and help the younger players coming up. Sport is the only place where our Olympics or Asian Games or a Lusophonia Games or Commonwealth Games are the only places जहाँ पे सारे देश के अलग-अलग लोग, अलग-अलग रेस के लोग एक साथ रहते हैं, and nobody ever thinks about that. And I think that's great for a country, and I think that's great for you know, just on humanitarian grounds, it's great. And the number 2 thing is, I think it's great for a country like India to understand other sports and to see international athletes from other countries.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.